Guys, what are we looking at? We are going to take a quick first day in pocket look at the CrazySharp Nadder. I actually filmed the tabletop way earlier this morning, so this has actually been in my pocket a good bit longer. Kind of dig this knife, so you guys know what time it is. Let's not waste any time. Turn down the volume. Here comes a little bit of music. Get into this knife real quick. This is Dan Hurd Prospecting. He does a lot of gold stuff. Recently had heart surgery. This is a channel I've watched for a long time. It's a lot of fun. He's just a big, lovable goofball, as you can see. But he does a lot of stuff, and the backdrops where he is in Canada are just gorgeous. So go give him a follow. He's got a pretty good channel. It's a lot of fun to go watch him find. He gets so excited when he finds gold. So, all right, this is the the Civivi Keen Nadder. Wow, I don't know how I did that. I wonder how many times I've already done it. We'll have to check that out in post. This knife came to me from Jared over at Neves Knives. Today's the first it's been on my pocket. It's been sitting on a shelf waiting to go in my pocket. I'm digging this. I really am. Like I said, I filmed the tabletop like 6:30 this morning. It's currently 10:49, so it's been in my pocket for a good bit this morning, and I'm liking it. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and turn this around and look at first day in pocket on this Civivi Keen Nadder. All right, guys, this is the Civivi Keen Nadder. We're going to just do a quick walk and talk look around this. It's not going to be very long at all because this is first day carry. First things off, yes, this is one of those Civivi pocket clips that has a lot of play. It is not uncomfortable though, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. This is a N690 Tonto, recurve Tonto with a big fuller, thumb stud and flippers. The handle material appears to be G10. There is a quick way. I just cleaned this up real good because I was unsure and I was going to do the test. And the way to do that is you simply stick it on your tongue, and if it feels like it's absorbing some moisture 9 times out of 10, it is micarta. I know that's a disgusting little test, but your tongue is very tactile, and if you're unsure of that, you can always clean it up and just stick your tongue to it. It's like the difference between bone and rock. Rock will not absorb moisture off your tongue, bone will. So if it tries to stick to your tongue, it's probably micarta. So action on this is really good. In hand, I like this a lot. It surprised me. When I saw this knife, I'm like, okay, that's gonna be a weird handle. It's not gonna fit my hand. It's not gonna be something that's comfortable. I had the same first impressions when I saw the Centros by CJRB, Dylan Mallory's design. This, just like the Centros, very comfortable in hand. Pocket clip does push my hand away from the direction I would like it to be a little bit, but not much. Tall pocket clip, not uncomfortable. The G10 on this has been done really well. Looks to me like steel liners and what looks to be, if you zoom in down here, a ceramic detent ball. Typically, if you have a ceramic detent ball, you have ceramic bearings. I can see bearings, can't tell. I will check. You guys will get the full specs when I do the full review. Like I said, really comfortable. I may take this pocket clip and put it over here to see if that changes the ergonomics in hand. The blade on it is really attractive. I did run this on a ceramic rod. I have a ceramic rod that I keep right here just to touch up things for first impression stuff. I just wanted to give it a fair shot for the first like hour or so of carry. It is early, guys. It is right now 6:30. I started filming or getting ready to film really early this morning because I couldn't sleep. So, you know, I've had this in my pocket. I want to say this and another knife, probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours now. But you can definitely feel that pocket clip. Now, in and out of pocket, really nice in and out of pocket. The tension on that is just about perfect. I'm wearing jeans right now, so I don't know. I'll see what it feels like in track pants, but it feels like that would be a pretty good even tension. Usually if it's good on jeans, a lot of times it can be good on track pants. Sometimes what will happen is you get too much tension and then you have a hard time with thicker pants. Action, like I said, action on it is great. It's really smooth. I haven't cleaned it up or anything. So I did do a little bit of cutting. I had a little bit of cardboard sitting out here. I cut it up. It seems to cut really well. It dresses the cut well. Got a nice recurve, which gives you a little extra horsepower. So you're maximizing blade length versus cutting surface. So yeah, like I said, nicely done. I like the Civivi stuff. This is, I'm not sure if this is going to be like big time winner, great knife like the Brazen was, but on first blush, I'm enjoying this in pocket. So we'll see how that plays out. So, all right, guys, let's turn this around, do some final thoughts. Like I said, real quick, it's just basically first impressions. So let's be done with this. CB Keen Nadder. I do like this. I'm kind of surprised. I was afraid that this was going to be one of those knives that would feel weird in hand. It does not. Only issue I'm seeing so far, pocket clip. But I have a lot of problems with pocket clips. This one is a little long. They have a tendency to catch on things like seat belts and things like that. As far as comfort-wise, no big deal. So yeah, we'll see how this one plays out. It's going to be a fun one to carry. I've already used it a bit because I am refilming this. It's much later in the afternoon, evening time frame than it was when I filmed the early parts. Audio issues while I was editing, just couldn't get past it. Had to refilm some stuff for part 3 of the full series, the full knife collection series, because there was audio issues. I don't know if maybe something's happened to the microphone or not, so we'll see how that works out. Guys, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down, but please try to tell me why. I can't change content if I don't know what you don't like. There's a lot of ways to support the channel if you'd like to. Sometimes it's as simple as sharing a channel like I did with Dan Hurd in the background. If you share it with people that may enjoy it, it gets us a bigger audience base. If you want to support the channel financially, there's a lot of ways you can do it. I do have the membership down below. That's the best way. It directly in below is a link where you can get on exclusive content, exclusive giveaways, early access to videos, stuff like that. I have a merchandise store and Ember Shirt Co. link down below that I've set up a coupon code for you guys. So if you want any of my merch, you can go there. You use CrazySharp, capital C, capital S, all one word, CrazySharp. Saves you 10% at checkout. And that also works on the Ember Shirt Co. store. So if you decide you like Joe Maynard's designs or David over at Hiking with Viking, you get the same discount regardless. And the final way is I have a bunch of affiliate links down below where I've built like a shopping list of things that you might need. Stones, knives, things that I recommend, tools that I recommend. And if you don't purchase any of those items, if you're still inside there and you purchase something else, I still get credit for it. And it doesn't add any cost to you at checkout. So guys, that's it. I love you all. Keep it clean in the comments section. It helps me moderate the channel. It's so much easier that way. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. And I'll see you guys in the next video.